people and the efforts that make this celebration possible, let us now turn our attention to a special AVP. Let's all watch this.
Of commerce in Iloilo, the central and terminal markets stood the test of time, busy, beloved, but in need of renewal. Today, a new chapter begins. The revitalized Iloilo central and terminal markets are symbols of progress, cleaner, safer, greener, with better ventilation, organized stalls, wider walkways, and improved sanitation. Every Ilonggo shopper and vendor benefits. Small businesses thrive once more. Local products shine brighter, and our heritage of hard work meets the promise of modern living. Iloilo Central and Terminal Markets, transformed with purpose, rebuilt for the people.
Palakpakan natin, please! Truly it has been a remarkable journey for our beloved Iloilo City. A story told through the heartbeat of its people and the bustling rhythm of our marketplaces. Now, the Iloilo Central Market and Iloilo Terminal Market have long stood as twin pillars of trade and community life. For generations, they have been the daily meeting place of hard-working vendors, loyal customers, and families whose lives were intertwined with every sale, every smile, and every story shared across the stalls. To share words of appreciation and insight directly from the heart of our vendor community, we are honored to hear a message from the President of the Iloilo Terminal Market, Iloilo Terminal Association, Mr. Joseph Kabuta.